Windmill. What Windmill's doing is looking at improving coordination with a sort of racket skill challenge. What you're going to do is you start with the ball on the strings and holding the racket with both hands. What you do is you flick the ball up in the air, you get your racket to go around the ball, and then you sort of catch it again with the racket. So what you're doing is you're coming up, around the ball, under it, to catch it again. I'll give that a try, Joe. Try again. This sort of exercise is sort of quite a tough one. It takes sort of quick speed and then control when you sort of get under the ball. You'll try one more time, Joe. With this one, oh, fantastic, Joe. With this one as well, we've got variations that can make it easier as well as harder. The easier sort of variation is rather than catch it with no bounce, we can let it bounce once, just so we get the idea of coming around the ball to start with. So that would be one. A variation to make it harder is we start with 2 balls on the racket. And what we try and do is then do the same thing with 2 balls. So we're coming up, around, catching 2 balls on the racket. A further sort of variation on this is you actually can do keepy-ups with the windmill. So what you're doing is seeing if you can keep it going with a windmill whilst you're sort of going as well, and then sort of catch it at the end. So there's within the same sort of framework, there's a few different levels and variations that you can use to learn the skill and then challenge the skill further with the coordination, so you're fast enough to come round the ball, catch it as you're going through.